Molecular docking using scripts AutoDock 4.2.6 Part 3 Protein Cleaning. In this part you will learn how to clean your protein using Discovery Studio. We will remove the water molecules and separate any other connected or incomplete small molecules. First, to get the 3D structure of your protein, you can go to the Protein Data Bank, PDB. Here, you can search for any protein either by name or the PDB code if you have it. In this tutorial, we are going to use the HIV2 protease. This HIV protease has the PDB code of 1HSG. Here, you can find more details about your protein. For example, it has been released in 1996 by X-ray diffraction with a resolution of 2 angstrom. The higher the resolution means that more data and information has been deposited into the 3D structure of your protein. If you scroll down a little bit, you can find the literature that has been published with this protein. Within this macromolecules part, you will find more details about the protein. It's called HIV1 protease, has chains A and B, a sequence length of 99, organism, human immunodeficiency virus 1. Within this small molecules part, you can find details about the small molecules. Those could be in complex with your protein. For example, and in this case, we have one small molecule that is called MK1 and it's located in chain B. To download the 3D structure of this protein, all you have to do is go to Download Files and choose PDB format, and it will be downloaded to your computer. Once downloaded, you can open it using Discovery Studio. In Discovery Studio, you can see the two chains of the protein, the small molecules, and they both are surrounded by water molecules. To explore them, you can click on the small arrow to open the left pane. Here, you can see chain A belongs to the protein, chain B belongs to the protein, B here is the small molecule, A here is the water molecules of chain A, B here is the water molecules, those belong to the chain B. Now, you can delete the water molecules by selecting them from the left pane and pressing delete on your keyboard. Now, we have to isolate the small molecule from the protein chains by selecting it and cut. To isolate it into a different window, go to File, New, Molecule window. Here you can paste. Now, we have the protein chains alone, which is the cleaned protein. After this, we have to save both of the cleaned protein and the controlled small molecule as Protein Data Bank files, PDB files. So, we go to File, Save As, we write the name, Save. Same for the controlled small molecule file, Save As. Protein Data Bank file, we choose the name. This way, you have cleaned your protein structure and gained your controlled small molecule.